Buongiorno e benvenuti. I'm Stephanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this designer penthouse for sale in Florence. Check it out! Today, we are in the heart of Florence, one of the most scenic cities in Italy. We are about to see a 265 penthouse with rooftop terrace and private spa. We are located halfway between Piazza Duomo, which is right behind me, and the Basilica di San Lorenzo with the Cappelle Medicee. Although in a very central location, the apartment enjoys tranquility and privacy. Despite its central position, the property is very well connected to all the services and comforts that the city has to offer. It is also in the heart of La Firenze Monumentale and close to the main attractions that La Culla del Rinascimento has to offer. Welcome to this 265 square meter penthouse. We are at the top floor of a beautiful historical palazzo. The apartment is developed on 2 levels. The apartment was recently and thoroughly renovated by a famous Florentine architectural firm that combined all the modern comforts and services to achieve true luxury living. From the main entrance, we are now accessing the living area. The living area is divided into 2 distinct spaces. Here we immediately have this sleek and elegant designer kitchen with induction stove, central dining room table that can sit up to 8 people, and on the opposite side are Samsung appliances, which maintain that sleek and elegant design. At the end of the dining area, we have this cozy lounge area, perfect for entertaining. From here, we also have a lot of natural light. One of the most gorgeous features of this room is the wall covered in mirrors, which gives depth and ties the space together. From here, we can access the fitness area. The whole apartment has these beautiful wooden floors. Here we have a perfectly equipped fitness area, ideal for those of you who are fitness lovers. From here we also have a perfect view over the exposed wooden beam and cotto ceilings. And I love how the main beams are highlighted with LED lights. On this floor, we also have a guest bedroom. This queen-size bedroom has a very zen vibe to it. It's filled with natural light thanks to the skylight, and also here the exposed wooden beam ceilings continue. The bedroom has its own private adjacent bathroom with cascade shower. From the living area, we can now connect to the actual bedroom area. Along the hall, we immediately find the master bedroom. Each room has a color theme. Here, the main colors are yellow and purple. I absolutely love it. Also here, we have the exposed wooden beam ceilings, wooden floors, and customized built-in closets. The master bedroom has its own ensuite bathroom with separated ensuite shower. Along the hallway are another 3 bedrooms and a guest bathroom. I love the color chosen for the hallway. This beautiful cerulean is extremely relaxing. Here we have a second bedroom. The second bedroom is quite particular because of the twinkle lights on the ceiling, framed by LED lighting. I absolutely love it. It gives it such a modern touch. Also here we have the gorgeous parquet floors, and ensuite bathroom with rain shower. At the end of the hallway are another 2 queen-size bedrooms, each with their own ensuite bathroom. As mentioned, each room has their own color theme. A first bedroom has beautiful tones of purple and yellow, while the second has a more floral theme with tones that go from sage to mauve. From the bedroom area, we are now back in the main hallway. And opposite to the living room is a second entertainment space. This part of the house is so cool. It has its own private bar that maintains that sleek elegance of the rest of the house. This space is perfect when entertaining your guests. You can offer them an aperitif before or after dinner. The space features a cozy lounge area, and from here we can access a second space of the upper floor. The amazing features that this apartment has to offer continue on this floor. Here we have a private spa area with sauna, hot tub, rain shower, and ensuite bathroom. However, we're not done here. Let's check out the true gem of this property. And here is the final piece of this amazing luxury apartment, which is this 13 square meter rooftop terrace, where you have a cozy lounge area where you can enjoy your al fresco meals or aperitivi during the warmer weather. And the cherry on top is the amazing view over la cupola del Duomo and il campanile di Giotto. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I can't wait to see what you thought of this designer apartment for sale in Florence. On that note, ciao!